Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to learn how to construct a polygon using general method. Okay, polygon means how to construct a square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon and nonagon. Okay, using the general method. Okay, so initially I'm going to draw a straight line, okay, which is of length 40 here. Okay, horizontal line of 40 say from this point to here 40. So from here to here, this is AB. Okay, now take compass, draw an arc here. So I'll be following the same procedure we did for the remaining polygons. Same method we need to follow here. Measure the 40 draw an arc. Okay, now draw perpendicular line here. Okay, so draw the perpendicular line. Okay, so now connect this P point with this A. Okay, so now we can bisect this AB line. Okay, how to bisect this line? You just take more than the half of the distance of this AB line and draw two arcs. Okay, okay, now you draw one vertical line, so joining these 2 points. Okay, so draw a straight line. Okay, now you consider this point as 4. Okay, this point and this point as 6. Okay, now we need to bisect this line 4 6. This line we have to bisect to get the point 5 here. Okay, so that's what we have to do. So how to do it? You know the procedure here. So take more than the half of the distance here. Okay, and draw two arcs. And join these two cut points here. This point and this point we should join with the horizontal line here. Okay, so this point what we got, that is 0.5. Okay, now we need to measure the length. Okay, measure the length and cut arcs. This is 0.7 and this is 0.8 and this is 0.9. okay, we need to be careful when we are cutting the points. Okay, otherwise we don't get the exact length here. 8, this is 9. Okay, now the length here AB, you can see here. So for constructing a square, so what I'll do, I'll be measuring the length from 4 to A. Okay, 4 to A and drawing a circle, small circle, from measuring from 4 to A, draw a circle. Okay, and already we have measured the length. You just check it out. Is it, you need to measure the length AB. Okay, cut the arc, or you can measure like this, same point you get it here. From this point you cut another arc. Now you join. This one you can give as C. Okay, you try to connect to make as a square here. AB, B to B, okay, square it is done. Now the same way we construct the pentagon. Now to construct the pentagon we need to measure the length from phi to A. Okay, keeping at the point 5, measuring the length till A. Okay, draw an arc. I think I have taken a little bit more, so we need to be careful here, okay, when we are constructing it. So if a little bit of difference also will not get the exact shapes, okay, shapes of the polygon. Okay, after drawing a circle, measure exactly 40 mm, okay, and start cutting the arcs. Here we are getting exactly on it, so you can mention the namings here. This point is C, D and E. Now you join. Okay, okay, so pentagon it is constructed. Now in the same way we construct the hexagon now. So measure the length from 6 to A, 0.6, and measure till A and check it out with the boy. It's not matching, so you need to be careful, okay. So it should match with both point A and B. You should check it out, okay, and then you draw. So little bit of difference, as I mentioned, it will not get the exact shape. Okay, so now you measure exactly the length of AB. And cut the arcs. Okay, now we can give the namings here. This point is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. Okay, now we join it. So this is hexagon. Now the same way we construct the heptagon here. So measuring the length from 7 to A. So measure it properly. Now measure exactly the 40 mm. Start cutting the arcs. So you can see at this point it's not intersecting. So what we do, we just draw and extend this line little bit upward. Okay, to this point we are going to join it. Okay. Okay, so heptagon is done. The same way we construct the octagon. So measuring the length from so draw a circle. Okay, start cutting the arcs. Okay, now we join it. Okay, so now finally we need to construct the nonagon. Okay, measure the length from 0.9 till A. Draw a circle. Okay, now measure the length from B to A. Start cutting the arcs. Okay, same way here also we'll extend this line little bit upward. Okay, then I think the arc length should cut properly. Okay. So you need to measure, cut the arc length properly. Okay. Okay, somewhat near it is getting it. Now we are going to join with the next point. Okay. So you can take whichever the color here, complete it. So with the measuring the length here, it is very important. Okay, measuring the correct length. So here I'm going to join with this point here, as in the case of pentagon also we do it like that only. Okay, so that completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notification, and share it to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video.